Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the deauthentication attack against a Wi-Fi network. So for this you have to get a Wi-Fi adapter which supports the monitor mode, and you have to install the Airgeddon script, link in the description of the GitHub repository. Download the repository and install the script. So first I have to enable the monitor mode. So for this you have to be the root. So let's check the interfaces. Here I have the WLAN 0 and WLAN 1. I will use the WLAN 0 to enable the monitor mode. So the command will be airmon ng start, then WLAN 0 to start the monitor mode. For the deauthentication attack, you must need the monitor mode. Let's check. Yes, we have successfully enabled the monitor mode, and then start the Airgeddon script. You can also deauthenticate the Wi-Fi network using a ESP8266. Any model will do this, ESP01 or Node MCU. In next video I will show you how to do the deauthentication attack with an ESP8266. From this menu, select your interface. We have monitor mode on the 3, so we will select the 3. From this menu, we have to select the number 4, DOS attack menu. So we will select the 4 and hit the enter. And from this menu, you have to select the target network. Press 4 and press the enter to explore the targets and select one. Once you have done, just press the Ctrl+C to cancel it, and it will show up the available Wi-Fi networks. I will select the number 8, which is connect to my TP-Link adapter and my device. From this menu, you can use two types of attack. One is the deauthentication and one is the deassociation attack. You can use two of any of those. So from here, I will select the deauthentication airplay attack, or you can do it with the MDK. MDK3 is the advanced, but I will use the airplay to show you. This video is only for the education purpose. Don't misuse this video. Press enter when you are ready to attack the network. Wait for some time. It will disconnect all the devices connected to the target network. It will take some time. Guys, now you can see my device is disconnected from the network. To reconnect your device or any other device to this network, targeted network, you have to cancel the attack. Press Ctrl+C to cancel the attack, and it will connect your Wi-Fi adapter or your device automatically again. Now you can see my device is connected. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. I will make a video about the deauthentication attack on ESP8266. You can subscribe our channel, and if you face some problem, you can comment us. Thanks for watching.